The night is slowly turning green. The dawn starts from the mountainside, from single beam to golden stream. The sun fills vastness with its might. The soil is giving birth to flames, inviting gifts of life to share. And stallions fly across the plains, each strong and free, each as a flare. The wind plays melody on flames, unfolds the carpet of a route, to walk the path, to reach the aim, by sound of strings, by song of flute. Azerbaijan, land of flames.